What is up, guys and gals? Welcome to When I Had a Smartphones tutorial videos. Today I have the Note 20, but I will be showing you guys how to share a video, like a YouTube video on the internet. So let's say you're browsing the internet and you find a helpful video. Let's just say we're watching this video and we see that, hey, this has got some information on there that is helpful. I want to share it with a friend. Somebody might be looking for some of this information. The way to do it is all you got to do is press on the screen. You will see the pause, the forward, all these different options come up. You will be looking for the one that has this arrow. On different options, it might be like a little sideways V with two dots. It does have a copy link. If you wanted to email it, there's an email option. The way to do the copy link is you just press copy and it copies the link. And let's say you're going to share it with somebody. Let's say you're in, for whatever. Let's say you're going to be sending it on a text message, and your message looks like something like this. Right here is where you're going to be typing your text message. All you have to do is just press and hold, and it'll give you a paste option. You can be in any kind of area, a message, a vlog, a comment area, anywhere where you can type. You can copy and paste, and just like that, you paste it, and then now you could just send it off, and the person that's viewing the video can just click on the link and it'll take them right to the video that you were viewing. So if you were sharing information with them, that is how to do it. So that's all I got for you guys in this one. If there's any questions about this, if you have a different version, let me know. I'll do my best to get back to you guys and answer any questions that you have. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.